Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. I used to think it was a metaphor. They said we were wasting money pointing rockets at the sky, chasing dust on the moon. But from those risks came lifelines, materials that heal, computers that listen. We didn't go to spend, we went to return safer, kinder, wiser. I'm not just passing through the future, I'm carrying it. A vial, the size of a thumb. Inside, a medicine written like a poem, printed molecule by molecule, taught by datasets gathered from stars and streets. I feel thankful to those who believed when it looked like waste, who aimed at the moon so we could heal on Earth. Their vision carried us here, and will let her live a long life. I think of the years ahead, suddenly possible. I linger a moment. For a heartbeat, the world is indistinguishable from magic. Because we chose to make it so.